guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos on travel, fashion, lifestyle, makeup. Don't forget to subscribe. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is a very quick, easy, light makeup tutorial for every day. So let's get started. Start off your daily skincare routine by washing your face with your favorite cleanser. So step 1 is the moisturizing. For this, you just need to tie up your hair or put it back so that it doesn't disturb your forehead. So I just tied it like this. Started with the step 1. Step 1 is moisturizing. Oh wait, where's my moisturizer? I use the Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Moisturizer. You can use your favorite. So just dab some product on your hand and apply it all over your face evenly. Moisturizing preps your skin. So don't skip this. So go in your circular motions. Massage it gently. Spread it all over. That's it, I'm done with the step. Now we have step 2. For this, I'm using the Pond's BB cream because instead of using a sunscreen and then a foundation, I prefer this has SPF 30 and also it acts as a foundation, so I prefer to use this. Just open it, tap some foundation. I'm using this much, so you can use a brush or a beauty blender. I'm just using my fingertips. I'm applying it evenly on my face. So I'm done with the step 2 and step 3, the eye makeup. I'm starting with brushing through the eyebrows. You can fill it. I don't prefer filling it every day because it's too messy. After brushing through your eyebrows, next step is the eyeliner. You can use liquid liner or gel liner. I'm using the Lakme Absolute Iconic Kajal. I prefer it using this way. Just hold your eyeliner. Start with simple strokes. Now repeat the same procedure for the other eye. Once you're done with the eyes, moving on to lips. Now this is my favorite step. I just never step out without lipstick. So I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Lipstick in the shade Scarlet Red. That's how it looks. I'm done with my lips and this is how it looks. I just love the shade. Moving on to the step 5, I'm using compact powder. Make sure you apply powder on your neck because otherwise you end up looking uneven. That's it, your makeup is done. Now go ahead and set your hair. That's it, I have used just 5 products to get ready and I think this takes less than 5 minutes. So this is the complete look and I'm wearing this outfit. Hope you all like this video and don't forget to
like, share and subscribe.